Welcome back to my channel, guys. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Onyii. I hope you stick around, subscribe and join the family. Okay, so my day started quite early today. Like, I had a bunch of errands to run and I needed to start early in the morning, so I decided to show you guys what Nkwo market looks like on a market day. Market is always like filled to the brim. Like, people from different places, from so many places, come here to trade in this market. Things are quite cheap on the market day compared to non-market days. Like, if it's a non-market day, people are not this much. Like, everywhere is scanty, and the few people that get to like sell things on the not market day, they sell things really pricey. So every market day, people from different places come here to buy things. So I decided to do a little bit of an explanation, and let's continue with the vlog. I'm done measuring out all my ingredients, and at this point I think I'm creating my own version of the recipe I'm supposed to be following. So this is flour, this is butter, this is coconut powder, this is baking powder, this is salt, this is powdered milk, and this is sugar. And I also have my mixing bowl. This milk powder and this salt I'm adding, I'm adding it out of my own volition, and I just want to see how it will turn out, because some cookies, when I eat them and I notice like the pinch of salt in them, it's usually really nice. So that's what I want to achieve with my own, and I really don't know why I'm adding this milk, but we'll see how it goes. So let's start baking. Guys, I'm done rolling. This is the first batch. This remaining one, I want to mold them into big chunks, so I'm going to put this one in first. Like, I want to do it in two batches. This is the first batch which I'm going to put in now, and this will be the second batch. So these are the second batch. I'm done baking my cookies, milky coconut cookies, and it turned out really well. This is the first batch, those small ones that I molded first, and then this is the second batch. I just brought out these ones right now, so it's still very hot, but these ones are cold. Can you hear that sound? So these ones are cold and these ones are still really hot, so I'm going to let them chill.
Time, I'll pick the place, 'cause baby I know that you're the one. If you got the will, I got the way, until your heart is won. And now I can feel the tension building, but it'll be alright if you and I can simply try tonight. We've come too far to throw away all the memories that we have made. You and I were meant to be. Yeah. I wanna take your love all the way before you take your love away. We gotta take your love all the way. price I need to pay to make you stay with me tonight. There's nothing